Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I'm down in the cellar. It's a Bosch WFF1800 washing machine. We use it about 2 or 3 times a week for washing nappies, and it's just finished a nappy wash, which is regular pre-wash, higher water level, 60 degrees. And pre-wash light's flashing, which means there's an error code here. So I've put it onto a rinse cycle, and it's gone onto the spin phase of that. And we had an error code before, but the error code's disappeared. But the noise that I hear does not sound like anything that I would want to hear. It's stopped making that noise. It sounds like the pump down there has something stuck in it. I think I'm just going to check that. So I've taken off the fascia, I've turned off the wash up above just to make sure, and I'm going to drain this out. I've got a bowl here, and I've got some soupy, nappy water. I didn't check what the error code means yet, but that noise from the pump suggests to me that it's a pump error issue. So I'll drain out this water and see what happens. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Yeah. That's what would you call it? Dirty water? Yeah. Dirty water, yeah. Dirty water. Dirty water. Look at it flowing out like that, look. Oh. You don't need to touch it, it's dirty. It's an easier fix to fix. That's round 1. 2. So I've drained out the water through the black hose, but there's probably still water in here because it's a big damp load of laundry. So let's get this plug out. Yeah, more water, and let's have a look. Somehow looks like a tissue, and what's that? Don't know what that is, just looks like fluff and bits. And looking in there, it looks okay. We could hear it trying to go around. I'd say it was actually, the motor was spinning, but it was just stopping that. The tissue was just stopping the water going through this little hole here. So that is probably a nappy liner, a disposable nappy liner. That's my suspicion. But yeah, that's how you fix it. If you've got the error light, so what was the error light? Was the pre-wash light flashing 3 times, but the noise was the pump. That kind of rumbling noise we heard, and the other obvious symptom in this case, if I delayed long enough to find out what was going on, was the fact that the machine wouldn't drain down. The laundry would have been soaking wet, and that's how you fix it. Doing nappies with disposable wipes, and the same thing... Thanks, baby. The same thing could have happened with any kind of thing like a sock or anything like that. One of the reasons it might have happened is because you can see the way this scallop shape here, the rubber seal on the washing machine is fine around the door, but it's kind of all wobbled along here, and it shouldn't have done that. But I think it's happened because we're using a lot of baby moisturizing products, especially petroleum based ones, and I think that's reacted with the rubber in the door seal, which is already quite old. It'll be at least 20 years old, this door seal. I think that's why that scallop shape's happened, and I think that means that you can see the gap there. If anything goes in there, ultimately it will wind up down in the sump, and that's what's going on, I'd say. So even these little small baby wipes that are about the size of your hand could get in there, but so could a sock in a regular machine. So that's what's happened. That's how you fix it. Thanks for watching. See you later.